Well, good morning to you, good afternoon, and a good evening, squad a lot. Yeah, day 8. So I'm getting a little bit insane in the membrane. So I think I'm gonna go for a little walk to the local park and read a book. And then when I get back, we'll do sit-ups and core exercises. And then make another AR video. Yeah, and then I'm gonna have an early night so that I can wake up early tomorrow, and then also another early night tomorrow so that I'm prepared for the interview on Wednesday. So not a hectically busy day today, but we still got to do a little bit of small wins to make the progress bar increase a bit. So yeah, day 8, it's gonna be a short one, but there's reasons for it. Dude, 8 days, man. 8 days. Anyone can do it, bro. You just need to put your mind to it, man. 8 days in. Come on. Okay, that's a win. Showing that progress is small, gradual, but it pays off. So yeah, right now we're gonna go for a little stroll and read in the park. I'll take you guys with me, show you around, but it's more for me, more my peace, more my spirituality. Let me pause this music. So yeah, we get to that. But dude, come on, man. That feeling of progress showing itself, nothing about it. Nothing can compare. But yeah, just showing that any average old Joe that goes through some bad times, that life doesn't want to win, can still win at the end of the day. It's all up here, all up there. Let's do this. Okay, what's cracking? We are currently at the park right now. A little bit of reading, some water. Good vibes. Nothing but peace right now. So yeah, I'm gonna do this for 30 minutes, an hour. I'm not gonna put a time on it because I'm just happy and content. Okay. That was beautiful, man. I gotta watch a seagull steal an apple from a girl. Gotta read a book. Gotta listen to kids laughing, man. Breeze on the face. Learned a lot about how they got Febreze to be successful. So overall, that's a win. But yeah, time to leave, time to get back home, work on the AI videos, and carry on the grind. Okay, day 8, 11 in the evening. I still need to do those ab exercises quickly. Yeah, I had just a bunch of ideas and things, so I was just researching them, seeing if it's already happened and things, but we won't get into that. So yeah, let's just do these sit-ups quickly. 20, 25, 25. 27. Come on. 30. Okay, so that is day 8 complete, 12:30. Yeah, lots of little wins today. It was a beautiful day. Told myself I love myself for the first time. So yeah, now I know what true love feels like. Yeah, but jokes aside, we got enough rest today to prepare ourselves for Wednesday. We got all the new clips for the next AR video. So tomorrow's task is basically to put them together and get the AR voice over it and then upload it. We did our sit-ups plus extra. We read a bunch. We even went for a little walk in nature, sat at the park, read our book, got to see a seagull stealing an apple from a girl, from a little cup. Yeah, we got to see a seagull steal an apple from a little child. I laughed because as I turned around I heard her scream and she was just laughing as well, so we just started laughing together. And then yeah, anyways, we just watched the seagull enjoy its lunch. Yeah, carried on reading, came home, got all the AR done, came up with a cool business idea, very creative, that will change the marketing and advertising scene. So yeah, did a bunch of research on that. Also learned this new formula regarding calls and stocks and how they actually get the pricing for it, which is gonna give me more knowledge on the stock market. So it's not just a YOLO gamble kind of vibe, it's more educated, emotionless. And that's what you want when it's trading. You don't want to go in there thinking, oh yeah, no, the stock's definitely gonna go up, but you don't have any formulas, you don't have any research, anything backing it. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing a paper trading account, fake trading, and yeah, if that's successful, then yeah, I'll move it into real life application. But it's also more for fun because I enjoy looking at the graphs and staring at green and red candles. So yeah, that's also another small win. Yeah, ate healthy. So yeah, just an overall good day. And that's the update. And yeah, I'm trying to come up with some positive motivational advice, but right now unfortunately I cannot. So I don't want to force anything. I don't want to fake a smile or you got this kind of vibes. So yeah, all I can just say is look at yourself in the mirror, find one beautiful aspect about yourself and appreciate it. So yeah, anyways, day 8 done. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, sleep tight, have a lovely day, and don't forget to smile.